Hello everyone, this is Mo, lead trader at Day Trade Center. Thanks for joining us tonight. I will be going over my most trusted stock, which has high potential to the upside with very minimal risk. I would appreciate if you could take the time to like and subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the bell to be notified when we drop new content. Thank you. Alright folks, after 4 weeks of correction, we finally hit a stop sign. Hopefully we recover from these levels. At this point, even though market is recovering, there is still uncertainty that this trend continues. I will suggest to give it a 3 to 4 straight green days on SPY to be more confident on the confirmation. We have had enough of this market. Let's get right into work. The only stock I want to talk about is Tesla. Even though Tesla is expensive in share price, but if you could get this right, I promise you'll make lots of money. Knowing the fact that Tesla was the best performing stock in 2020, now you have to beg the market for this stock to drop drastically, which almost never happens. Listen carefully. Almost any time Tesla drops, whether it's a news or market correction or even a tweet by Elon, this shoots straight back up. I always say this, and I want you to do this as well. Make sure that you have a file to write down the best stocks in your opinion. Of course, with the due diligence behind your reasoning. And after you write it down, now you know what to buy, right? You trust these companies. But now you ask, when am I supposed to buy them? Since you trust these companies, for example, I would say Tesla, that's my trusted company. Now, every time they drop, you start a starting position, such as 10% of your portfolio. And why I say 10%, it is because after the initial drop, this can continue to drop. So I just suggest you have a cash aside to average down on a reasonable dip. This way you buy the stock at a discount and you know what you are holding. But specifically with Tesla, and why it's important and why I want to mention it right here today is because Tesla recovers pretty quick, and this is not a 700, 600 stock. That being said, is just this. If you bought the dip last week, fantastic job. But if you didn't, don't worry, the market will not shoot straight back to previous levels, at least not anytime soon. You will have time to buy in, but as of now, I would say perhaps you start a starting position on your trusted companies. But just to show you on the chart, look, for example, here in the November area, it goes up, drops, and then all of a sudden the news came out. This was the S&P 500 edition, and it just blows up. And then again, we drop and go back. Like literally in a few days. Like it drops one day and it continues going, rallying. Again here, we see that minor here. Again here, we see it a little bit one day, I think here. And we keep going. We have this consolidation zone. Now we dropped. And now we had this big candle today. This was today. If this keep continuing, well, you got yourself a winner and at a super, super discounted price, $550. I mean, no one knows where the dip is, right? So the bottom is, no one knows. But let's say you started a position at $600, or like let's say $650 every time. For example, for me, it's like every time it goes down $50, I add to my portfolio. I add like 5%, 10% of my portfolio into it. So for example, here at 650, let's say I started by this, I'm saying like $50 drop. Let's say it dropped from $650 to $60. I would add one more here, and then I would add one more here. Now the average in these three levels, 650, 600, and 550, is $600 with, let's say, 5% of my portfolio each time. Now I have 15% of my portfolio at $600, average $600, and the stock price is at $688. I'm $88 up on my 15% of my portfolio. You see how this plays out well. So I suggest this strategy with your trusted companies and the ones that recover fast. It's Tesla, SQ, and I wouldn't do it with a company such as Apple because their recoveries are really slow, and it's just you have other fast opportunities to catch compared to Apple and Microsoft and even Amazon or other large cap companies.
Thank you for watching till the end of the session. I would like to take a few seconds and present out our main platform. We will be sharing free watch list, live day trades, swing trades, pattern courses, SPAC reveals, and an updated investment portfolio plan right here at daytradecenter.net. Please make sure to check out our website, and thanks again. Hope to see you tomorrow.